Hello and welcome to the Pollerizer channel. On July 1st, 2020, I announced a collab that's open to all YouTubers, especially small channels looking for an opportunity to grow. There's still time to join the collab, so enjoy this nighttime footage I recently shot for a future video while I get you up to speed with how the project's going. If you're new here, the collab's going to be in the form of a music video, and I'm really excited because the response has been amazing so far. There's around 30 YouTubers who've confirmed interest, and 6 people from 4 different countries have already provided content for the collab. And as I mentioned earlier, there's still time to join. The deadline to submit video footage and other content for the collab is August 1st, 2020. So if you're just hearing about this project, or you're still working on content to submit, the good news is you still have over a week to get that done. I want to give a big thanks to the early birds who've already submitted for the collab. So far, we've got the up-and-coming tech reviewer Before You Buy guy, fabulous food YouTuber Keskin Cookin, Lack of Motivation and Lincoln's Creations and Rentals, a pair of channels run by Phil, a fitness YouTuber and home DIY expert, French-Canadian vlogger extraordinaire Izzy Straightheart, and photographer, filmmaker, and medical student Avi Woodiastara. You can find links to their channels in this video's description, and it's so cool how well they represent the global nature and diversity of interests in the YouTube community. So if you're planning to join and are still putting together your submission, I can't wait to see what you bring to this collab to make it even more exciting. Now, if you sent me your content and I missed it before uploading this update, I'll be checking my email for new submissions, and also feel free to send me a reminder, and that way I can make sure to lock in your spot for the collab. For the musicians joining the collab, my goal is to have the backing track available by the first week of August after we have a final count of all the other participants, and then you can work on your parts. Also, I've included a list in this video's description of everyone who's expressed interest in the collab so far. So feel free to check out that list below, and if you're not on it, but want to join, head over to the collab announcement video I posted back on July 1st. I've included a link to the announcement in the end card coming up. I'll continue to provide updates regarding the collab in the weeks ahead, so please make sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on, and I look forward to getting your content by the beginning of next month so you can be a part of it.